China Evergrande, interest payment deadline has arrived. Default avoidance is opaque. On the 6th, China Evergrande Group, a major Chinese real estate developer in a financial crisis, has reached the deadline for paying interest on unpaid dollar-denominated corporate bonds. If interest payments cannot be made within the same day of Eastern Time, it will be the default. The company says it can't guarantee funding, and it's unclear if the default can be avoided. Evergrande has paid interest 3 times so far, just before the 30-day grace period expires, and has barely avoided the default. This time, it is necessary to pay $82.5 million of accrued interest on corporate bonds issued by the subsidiary, which is due on the 6th of last month. Reuters reported that there were no interest payments to some creditors by this evening during Asian time. Evergrande announced on the 3rd that it received a separate notice requesting the fulfillment of its debt guarantee obligation of $260 million. After warning that, "We cannot guarantee the securing of funds necessary for debt fulfillment," he announced that he would enter into negotiations with creditors for debt restructuring. In response to this, the local Guangdong provincial government dispatched a supervisory team to the company and expressed its intention to strengthen its involvement, saying that it would handle risks and strengthen internal management. The People's Bank of China emphasized that the spread to the financial industry is limited, saying that it will not affect the market function in the medium to long term. Evergrande announced on the 6th that it will set up an in-house committee to manage the crisis. The members include executives of state-owned enterprises, which is expected to reflect the intentions of the authorities. Evergrande has been rushing to raise funds, including selling all the shares held by the internet service company under its umbrella since last month, and the founder Xu Jiayan also selling his own shares.